জিলিকাবলুই তরে পার জিলিকাবলুই অসম আমাৰ ৰূপহী গুণৰ নাই শেষ ভাৰতৰে পূৰ্ব দিশৰ সূৰ্য উঠা দে অসমী আই ৰূপহী গুণৰ নাই শেষ ভাৰতৰে পূৰ্ব দিশৰ সূৰ্য উঠা দে গোটেই জীৱন বিচাৰিলেও অনেক দিবস ৰাতি গোটেই জীৱন বিচাৰিলেও অনেক দিবস ৰাতি অসম দেশৰ দৰে নেপাওঁ ইমান ৰসাল মাটি অ চিৰ বিনন্দিয়া তোমাৰ সেউজ পৰিৱেশ ভাৰতৰে পূৰ্ব দিশৰ সূৰ্য উঠা দে
Assam is a land of Red River and the Blue Hill. The history of Assam in general is the history of the Red River, Brahmaputra and the Blue Hills that dot and surround the Brahmaputra Valley. In fact, Assam might be described as picturesque land of the Red River and the Blue Hill, the Lohita and the Nilachala. Both the river Lohita and the hillock Nilachala, on which the temple of Kamakhya is situated, have left great impression and distinct marks on the national life and culture of Assam. Prior to the invasion of the Ahoms, who consolidated an empire here and changed the entire ambience, this land, Assam, was known as Pragjyotispur, or the city of Eastern Lights, which was commonly known as Kamrupa in the medieval age. The city of Eastern Lights enjoyed in ancient times a far-flung reputation of being an orthodox seat of Eastern astrology and astronomy. It cultivated these sciences to an eminent degree, and the temple of Navagraha, or the 9 planets, situated in the center of modern Guwahati, bears an eloquent testimony to this fact. The 13th century is a turning point in the history of Assam and her different people. In 1228 AD, the Ahoms, a Shan tribe belonging to the ancient kingdom of Mungmao, invaded Assam across the Patkai ranges. It is said that Saulung Sukafa, a Shan prince, discovered this kingdom and founded Ahom dynasty of ruling power here in Assam. The Ahoms, who in course of time subjugated the whole of the Brahmaputra Valley, brought it under their control and ruled over this kingdom for about 600 years, from the beginning of the 13th century to the first part of the 19th century. The gift of the Ahoms to Assam are Joydol, Shibodol, Ronghor, Karenghor, Tolatol Ghor, etc. The 16th century, the age of Renaissance of Assamese culture and religion. Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev, along with his disciple Mahapurush Madhavdev, pronounced the doctrine of purified Vaishnavism and inculcated the doctrine of salvation by faith and prayer, and invented Hatras and Namghar, the congregational prayer hall. Assessing the respective capacity of the common people of the society, Shankardev composed Kirtan Ghoha, spiritual book, Borgit, devotional songs of spiritual nature, Onkiya Nat and Bhavna, play and dances, Khatriya, to win the heart of the people and recreated human values. Assam is known as Wild Animals Paradise. It is famous for Kaziranga National Park, a World Heritage Site. The park hosts 2/3 of the world's great one-horned rhinos and Royal Bengal tigers, elephants, a great variety of birds, reptiles, wild buffaloes, and so on. The people of Assam breed in ancient peasant traditions, observe a sort of primitive devotion to nature. It reveals itself in the popular festivals like the Bihus that commemorate the changes of seasons and mark the advent of autumn and spring. Assam is a place of unity in diversity, where different ethnic groups from different corners and regions like Khasi, Garo, Miri, Dimasa, Kosari, Oka, Dophola, Lalung, Rabha, Deuri, Sutia, Miju, Sinteng, Nokte, Wansu, Karbi, Noga, Monpa, Khamti, Boru, Moran, Borahi, Tagin, Apatani, etc. lived together and as the years rolled on, fertilized its sinews and arteries into a rich and solid entity.
Khasi, Garu, Miri, Dimasa, Kosari, Oka, Dophola, Kos, Lalung, Rabha, Deuri, Sutia, Miju, Aru, Sinteng, Nokte, Wanchu, Haru, Karbi, Noga, Monpa, Khamti, Boru, Moran, Borahi, Tagina, Patani, Bukute, Khaboti, Mundun, Sun, Kham, Teor, Dekhore, Nam, Patkai, Pubote, Asin, Dikho, Dihing, Lui, Dukhine, Khamjang, Pushime, Habun, Khaboti, Sin, Dikho, Dihing, Lui, Dukhine, Khamjang, Pushime, Habun, Khaboti, Sin. Saulung Sukapa, Saulung Sukapa.
The state of Assam, which the Ahom king Sukafa, as he marched into it, hailed as Mundun Sunkham, or the country of Golden Garden. It is no wonder that Ahom called this country so, a country in which the mustard blossoms smile as golden daffodils, and the paddy fields turn yellow in autumn and invest the plains and surroundings hills with the refulgence of gold. Gandhiji, in a simple way, called Assam lovely.
পাহাড় ভয়াম একে করা রামধনুর এই দরে তোমার ভাষার মরম বোরে মিলন হেতু গঢ়ে লোহিত তরে বহল পারক কণিপাত করু লোহিত তরে বহল পারক কণিপাত করু জন্ম ললু ইয়াতে যেন মরু ও জন্ম ললু ইয়াতে যেন মরু।